Have you ever woken up feeling like you don't belong here? Like you're carrying memories of a place you've never visited? What if I told you that this isn't just a feeling, but an actual memory encoded in your DNA? In the next few minutes, you'll find out why Tesla said everything in the universe is frequency, why your body has been acting strangely lately, and why you're not watching this video by accident. Get ready, because what you're about to see could completely change your perspective on who you really are. But before we continue, please like this video. It helps the algorithm get this information to more people who need to wake up. And activate the bell, because content like this can be shadow banned at any time. In 1888, an occultist named Helena Blavatsky first mentioned a lost civilization called Lemuria. Since then, millions of people around the world have reported vivid dreams of this place. Identical dreams, with the same landscapes, the same crystalline structures. But here's what science doesn't tell you. In the last 20 years, the number of people reporting spiritual awakening symptoms has increased by 3,000%. Hypersensitivity, changes in sleep patterns, a sense of urgent mission. Coincidence? Look at this. The same geometry found in the flower of life appears in the Temple of Osirian in Egypt, in Angkor Wat in Cambodia, and in the structures of Machu Picchu. 3 different civilizations, 3 different continents, but the same geometric code. How is this possible? And what's more, when scientists analyzed these geometric proportions, they discovered that they follow the Fibonacci sequence, the same mathematics that governs the growth of plants, the formation of galaxies, and, surprise, the structure of our DNA. But wait until you find out what Tesla really meant when he talked about 3, 6, and 9. Nikola Tesla once said, "If you knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." For decades, no one fully understood what he meant. Until now. Researchers have discovered that when you apply Tesla mathematics to geometric patterns found at ancient sites, you get specific frequencies. And those frequencies? They resonate exactly with the 7 chakras of the human body. But here's where it gets interesting. When these frequencies are played in a lab, they alter the molecular structure of water. And considering our bodies are 70% water, you can imagine the implications. Dr. Masaru Emoto has proven that water has memory. It stores vibrational information. Now imagine, if an advanced civilization wanted to leave a message for the future, where would be the perfect place to hide it? In our own bodies, in the genetic code we carry in every cell. And that brings us to the question everyone is asking. Who were the Lemurians, really? Forget everything you've learned about ancient civilizations. Lemuria wasn't just a lost continent. It was a collective consciousness operating in a higher dimension. That's why we don't find traditional physical ruins. Modern quantum physics teaches us that reality has multiple dimensional layers. What we perceive as real is only a small fraction of the total spectrum. The Lemurians existed primarily in the fifth dimension, a state where consciousness and matter are one. But here's the secret. They created dimensional anchors, frequency codes that would remain active even after their dimensional transition. These codes were inserted into the Earth's energy matrix and into the human genetic code. Have you ever wondered why some people just know things without ever having learned them? Why certain melodies make you cry for no reason? Why you are drawn to crystals, sacred geometry, or specific spiritual practices? These are the codes activating. And this is happening now en masse because we have reached the convergence point that the Lemurians predicted. But how do we know this is real? Let's listen to the experts. Dr. Bruce Lipton, cell biologist and author of The Biology of Belief, discovered something revolutionary. Our genes are not fixed. They respond to the energetic environment around us. In his words, the environment controls genetic activity. Changes in the electromagnetic field can literally rewrite our genetic code. What's more, research from the HeartMath Institute has shown that when groups of people synchronize their heart rates through meditation, they create a measurable electromagnetic field that affects others within a radius of several kilometers. It explains why you feel different in certain places, why certain people drain your energy while others instantly energize you. It's not psychology, it's pure physics. Tesla knew this over 100 years ago. He said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." He was trying to give us the key to understanding the Lemurian codes. But there is something that scientists have not yet been able to fully explain. Over the past 5 years, monitoring stations around the world have detected anomalies in Earth's frequencies. The Schumann resonance, the planet's heartbeat, is changing pattern for the first time in thousands of years. Coincidentally, it is precisely during this period that millions of people report the same symptoms: insomnia, followed by intense dreams, extreme sensitivity to noise and light, sudden changes in intuition, and an inexplicable urge to wake up. Sarah, 34. I've started seeing geometric patterns when I close my eyes. Marcus, 28. I feel like I'm remembering something I forgot a long time ago. Anna, 41. My body is changing, like it's preparing for something. And here's the amazing thing. When we map these people geographically, they form a perfect network based on sacred geometry. It's not random, it's a pattern. The codes are not just activating, they are connecting, creating a worldwide network of awakened consciousness. And if you've made it this far in this video, there's a good chance you're part of this network. So what does this mean for you? First, understand that what you're feeling is real. You're not going crazy. You're awakening to a larger reality that has always existed. Second, trust the process. Your body knows what to do. The Lemurian codes are not something you need to learn. They are something you need to remember. Third, find your tribe. Other code bearers are out there, and you're programmed to recognize each other. Pay attention to the signs, conversations that naturally flow into weird topics, people who make you feel instantly at home, encounters that feel like fate. Remember, Lemuria was not destroyed. It evolved. And now, through you, it is being reborn. Every person who awakens adds more power to the grid. Every code activated makes planetary transformation more possible. If this video resonated with you, and I know it did, leave a comment telling us what moment impacted you the most. Share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to the channel, because we will continue to explore these mysteries together. You didn't get here by accident. You are exactly where you are supposed to be, at the right time, receiving the right information. The Lemurians planted the seeds. Now it's time to blossom. Until the next awakening.